Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to a phone on your Samsung Galaxy A55. Let's get started. So, as a first step, you would need to open the phone app and then click on these three dots that you can see on the right edge. Here, click on this button which says Manage Contacts and go to this tab which says Import Contacts. So, here we would need to select the SIM card that we would like to import the contacts from. In my case, this is SIM1. And here you would need to select the contacts that you would like to transfer. So, you can choose them one by one or click on this button at the left corner which says All. Then we click Done. And here we would need to choose where to import these contacts to. So, I'll select my phone and click Import. And as you can see, this process takes only a little while, then we can click OK, and now your contacts has been successfully transferred. And that was it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.